Are you one who is worried about social obligation when the large vision of environment calling you is calling you? I am Samgeeta. I am a significance coach and I help mid career professionals to rise up to their potentials and craft breakthrough pathways towards significance. I was doing a session on green leadership today, and green leadership obviously is about environment. But green leadership entails the social justice part also, inclusion also, financial inclusion also, along with environmental responsibility. Environmental responsibility, social justice, and financial inclusion. Financial inclusion also is all about sustainable decision making. What is sustainable now? Sustainable is like it stands for all time to come, even though the circumstances changes. Let us get into an example. So whenever sustainability happens, a long term impact everybody talks about. Now what is long term impact? So when you plant a mango tree, it doesn't give you fruit immediately, right? If you have planted something, then it takes about a generation to water and take care of it before it starts giving fruits, shelter and joy. So you are not doing something today because of immediate results but long term impact, and that is called sustainability. And environmental responsibility is about conserving your energy, reducing waste, and then taking decisions that will impact people right now and also in the long term. And social justice is about people, all of us should be able to access these resources as much as anybody can. If you can, I can, and anybody can. That is what social justice is all about. So, social justice is eliminating discrimination and inequality. See, it is not just allowing and thinking, it is not allowing things and circumstances to happen to prevent or disengage a certain segment of people. Social justice, that's why, is also about education, healthcare, and once Gandhiji told, look at the person who is sitting just behind any of the rows of people and saying nothing. That is the most vulnerable people who is marginalized. If your system takes care of that person, then your system is solid and sustainable. So if sustainable decision making is about helping people to come forward and participate in all the processes that I participate to benefit. Everybody can do the same. That is what sustainability is. And it is also about balancing health, education, and every opportunity and the social well being. It cannot be something apart from whatever we are discussing, and that is what all green leadership deals. So, green leadership basically aims for people, planet, and profit. What do I mean by that? It is whether it is good for the planet, whether it is fair for the people, and whether it has long term value. Do you want then to become a green leader? If you want more information on this and you want a discussion on this, then write mission in the video and your breakthrough starts right now.